Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Adam Farid, here to present about our Arduino project WISE, which is short form for Waste Intelligent Sorting Engine. Thank you, Sir Muhammad Sukri Hadi, for coming today.
The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it.
Here are my team members. There's me, Adam Farid, Adam Shafi'i, Nur Rashida, Iskandar, and Alia. Hi, as you can see, this is our product WISE. We can dispose three types of rubbish, which are paper, metals, and plastic. To start everything off, WISE is a smart recycle bin that uses sensors and automation powered by the Arduino Uno to make recycling easier. By detecting the type of material being disposed, it automatically opens the corresponding lid. WISE simplifies waste segregation and promotes sustainable practices.
Hi, I'm Rashida and I will explain the problem statements of our project. Manual segregation leads to less effective recycling procedures, greater pollution, and additional stress on the resources used for waste management. Waste segregation processes are not automated, which discourages involvement in recycling initiatives. To make garbage separation easier, lessen pollution, and promote recycling among people, an automated solution is required. Our project have three objectives. First, to develop a smart recycling bin using Arduino Uno, equipped with sensors that can automatically open the lid corresponding to the type of material being disposed of. Next, to promote efficient waste segregation and facilitate the recycling process. And lastly, to encourage sustainable waste management practices.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Adam bin Muhammad Shafi'i and I will be explaining about the process. We begin with the design phase. So we draw with rough sketch to create an image to clear what we were going to do. And then we create a circuit through Tinkercad. This way we can see that it is going well. After that we testing the communication between the Python and the Arduino, which can be seen it is a success. And then we create a design using Katia for the drawing. As you can see, we are able to create a casing from mounting board and wiring from it. We adjust the sizes and check for wiring. This is to prevent any short circuit or improper connection. And then we run test AI and with the Arduino. We can see that the AI is working very well and can differentiate the material that as we wanted. And then we create the background for the AI and we adjust the wire. This is to make the wire much more efficient and to help the AI to detect the object much more clearer and faster. After that, we color the casing and test for the component. This is to make sure that the paint from the casing will not interrupt the connection between the component. After that, we recheck the coding for the Python and the Arduino. This is the code for the Python, as you can see, and this is the code for the Arduino, where we declare and then we write conditions and then we create a loop for the cases and to execute on what we wanted. After that, we create a final adjustment and check the coding. We check the wiring and okay, this is our exploded view for the product.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Tuan Nur Fatitul Alia binti Tuan Muhammad Fauzi and I will present on costing. So here, as you can see, we have about 8 different components with the most expensive one is Arduino Uno Advanced Set with the cost of 92 ringgit. Next, we bought 3 mini servo motor since there are not many included in the Arduino Uno set and other things. So all in all, the total cost that we have invested in this project is 175 ringgit and 30 cents. So that's all for the costing. I will pass to the next presenter to present on methodology. Thank you.
Okay, so the methodology of a system is divided roughly into parts. For example, finally, the coding consists of two different systems, Arduino, which carries most of the heavy lifting in.
Okay, for the circuit diagram, we can see that the Arduino Uno is connected to the breadboard, and
So this is the Arduino coding flowchart, which may look complicated but it's actually somewhat simple. The Python AI assists the Arduino by checking if the Arduino needs the AI and
okay, for the result, we can see that Iskandar is showing the sample to the sensor, and the AI will detect after it identify after 30 iteration. Then it will open up the bin that was set up, and then the second try would be tin or metal. So the bin will, or the second bin will also open up, and then lastly the sample plastic, where the AI will detect and open up the third one. You can say that the project is.
For the discussion, how does our project impact recycling or the world? Firstly, it enhances waste segregation. The automatic leak mechanism minimizes contamination and maximizes the effectiveness of recycling activities. Secondly, it saves time and money. Since we do not require human sorting, it saves time and lower labor expenses related to handling waste. Thirdly, environmental protection. Promoting recycling by providing an easy to use option, which is our project, helps reduce landfill waste, preserve natural resources, and lessen the environmental effects of inappropriate trash disposal. And lastly, data driven insights. Since we use the smart recycle dustbin, we collect and analyze data so it can give information about recycling trends, empowering policymakers and waste management authorities to decide wisely and maximize recycling programs.
These are the improvements for our project. So what can we improve from our project? Firstly, we can make our smart dustbin larger in size. Our smart dustbin is small, so we can make it bigger to support greater sizes of trash. Secondly, we can use stronger and long-lasting materials so that we can assure its endurance and robustness even when used in public. Thirdly, we can improve the system performance. We can invest in a larger processing system to meet the AI algorithm better, such as increased speed. This will save time and increase energy efficiency. Last but not least, we can add more data to the AI. Our dataset contains around 1000 plus data, but an AI can learn tens of thousands of data, so we can increase the variety of data for more accurate reading.
And next, I will present on conclusion. First of all, we concluded that during this project, we have created a smart recycle bin that powered by Arduino Uno, which we named it as WISE, that stands for Waste Intelligent Sorting Engine. This project simplifies waste segregation and promotes recycling practices. Moreover, the design is user-friendly and adaptability. And the last one, this project will encourage the community to actively participate in sustainability. So that's all for the conclusion. Thank you.